In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an outlet to an existing outlet. So we had this fireplace we wanted to add to it, and I made sure it was going to not overload the circuit. So I tested it and it worked with no problems. But the first thing you want to do is take off the old outlet cover and look into the box and make sure there's enough room for another wire. Once you take the outlet off, the next thing you want to do is remove the baseboard. I cut out the baseboard so I can see where the studs were that I had to go through. In this case, there were actually a couple studs that I could just put the wire behind it without drilling a hole, which was nice. And then you need to cut a hole where the new outlet is going to be. So they have this box. It's a remodel box. It's called For Old Work. And so it has two little fins. You push that in the hole, and then the fins are screwed on and hold it in place. So it doesn't matter where in the wall it's located. It can be between the studs. So once that hole is made, then you put the wire in the hole, the new hole, behind the studs, or drill a hole for it and then into the new box. So this way, by removing the baseboards, you don't have to disrupt any of the wall around it. Once the wire was in place, I was able to wire the outlet and get the new outlet in place with the cover. And then I went back to the existing outlet and added the wires into the right place. So the black goes on the gold wire, the white goes on the silver wire, and the ground connects to the ground. Then I put that back in place with the cover, and you can't even tell there was any work done with that new outlet. So that's how easy it was to be able to install a new outlet off an existing one. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video.